Hello there, plant lovers! Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing an experiment, and this experiment is called wick watering. So I will be planning to go away for a few weeks, and I want to see if these plants will survive without me watering them. So I hope you will learn something from today's video. Good luck and enjoy! In this experiment, you will be needing two major materials, which is pail and a rope, and of course water, which is also given. So first I gathered all the plants in one section and making sure they have the same watering needs, because there are some other plants that doesn't need quite often of a water. For example, the succulents. So the next step is I put water on the pail, and I have this heavy object that I can tie up the end of the rope, and then making sure that each planter has its rope. And always make sure that your water or pail is above your plants or higher than your plants to ensure that the water flows directly to the planters.
That night.
So here's the result after several hours. Look what happened. Sure enough, it works, but not for all plants. I mean, some planters are not really wet, and some are super duper a lot of water flowing from that rope, and with this it's all dried, and I don't know. So for me, this is not a good idea.
Thousand years later.
So obviously I did not give up because I want to see the results. And after a week, this is what happened. I got brown tips, brown leaves. It's not happy at all because it's pretty obvious the water does not flow regularly to the rope. So this is what happened. My polka dot's not happy, pretty obviously.